Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about the Pune tender notice one more time because around 13 Pune tenders are there. So we start the video. Guys, please support my channel for my future studies. Here, I'm already opened CPP portal. Here you can see that you have to click here. Then after the e-procurement portal will be open called as Central Public Procurement Portal. I will go with tender search by tender by location. So here I will enter Pune, then I will go with capture code 17F yes 1C. So after that you have to submit. Here I'm already explained. Here you can see I'm already explained this tender notice and all the details in the above link. So I will go with to say as I'll go with the fourth one or fifth one. I'll go with fifth one. So here it's a published on 13th October 2020 and closing date is 2 November 2020 and opening date is 3 November 2020. Here you can see that title, reference number and organized chain will be given here. I will go with this one. So I have just clicked here. You can see the tender details. It will opened. So here they given all the details: organization chain, tender reference number, tender ID, tender type, tender category, general technical evaluation, allowed, payment mode. Is multi-currency allowed for fee? No, it's not allowed. Multi-currency is not allowed for fee. So that here payment instruments, tender fee details. Tender fee is only 500 details and you have to pay EMD. Is that earnest money deposit is 14,347. Here you can see the description of work, provision of maintenance service to Arbo assessed at DG Armament office and residency at Pashan, Pune through Arboriculture services. Pre-qualifications. So you have to refer the tender document for pre-qualification details. Here tender value is 7,17,329 rupees. So you can see here they give all the details here. Completion period 365 days means 1 year. It is published on 13th October. I am already explained. So it started on also 13th October. They didn't given regarding the clarification date. You have to submit the tender notice on or before 2 November 2020. After that 3 November the tender will be open. Here you have to see it's a tender document. They given all the details here. You have to download a BOQ, additional documents, another additional document, tender document and tender document. It is a tender inviting authority. The tender is invited by this authority only. Here I'll show you how to download the tender notice. So you have to click the tender notice. You see, it's just downloaded. They given the phone number, fax and email detail also. Can go through. If you have any clarification regarding, can go through this mail. You see here notice inviting e-tender. They give all the details here. Okay, I will give the link in the description. You have to go through the link. You will get directly access to these tenders. So they given here name of work, enquiry number, estimated cost of work, type of contract and order, cost of tender document, amount of earnest money, duration, eligibility criteria, all the details they given, procedure for submitting a tenders. Here critical data also they given. Then integrity fact, you have to submit the integrity fact. Sorry, in case of the given as any given a dispute rating tendering process of any guidance related to tender procedure condition of course, we have to clarify the regarding any integrity fact. We have to external monitor as okay. I don't know regarding this one what they exactly written. Submission of the document, you have to submit the document. Okay, you can see here they clearly mentioned. Thank you for watching. Please support me guys. I'm doing this video only for my future education and sharing there some information regarding the tender notice. Thank you for watching. Please support. Have a good day.